Today I'm going to be making my Memorial Day flower arrangement. Stay tuned for the video. The first thing you're going to need is a vase and some flowers. I'm using poppies because I think poppies would be appropriate for Memorial Day. Now I'll show you how to make it. This is an easy arrangement to do. I already measured it in a vase to see if I need to cut it. I don't. I got the poppies over at Walmart. I do not have any sponsors for any products mentioned or used. So now all we do is put it in a vase like that. Get it all there. It's done. Now I'll bring you on for the final view. This is what it looks like done. Thank you for watching.